is Willow IC. Command post will be at Quint 125. All incoming units stage at Las Virgenes and Willow Glen.
LA, Willow IC. Appears we have approximately 1 acre. We do have 1 copter down with medium brush. We do have smoke. We are currently starting a progressive hose leg. Command post will be at Quint 125. Have all units be on command for assignment.
All units responding to the brush fire at Las Virgenes and Willow. Quint 125 reporting 1 acre, 1 copter down in medium brush. All units come up on command for assignment. Willow IC, LA. Willow IC, can you confirm patient number and tail number? Or correction, patient info and tail number?
That's negative at this time. When I do get some more information, I'll go ahead and follow up with you. Willow IC, be advised, we have copter 12 over the crash site. We do have approximately 30 by 30, not spreading. Appears to be a possible magnesium fire at the location.
All units responding to the Willow IC. Quint 125 reporting approximately 30 by 30, not spreading, possible magnesium fire.
LA Battalion 5 on scene, Willow incident.
LA from Willow IC with an update. We have limited spread in the brush. We are still holding the fire. Forward progress has been stopped at a 30 by 30 spot. We have potential 3 DOAs. We have Los Angeles Sheriff on scene and also MRCA.
Willow IC, is this a private or agency helicopter?
I'm talking to County Copter 12 now. I'll get right back to you.
Willow IC, copy.